NASKY UV Light Sanitizer Modern Fashion Portable UVC Germicidal Ozone Lamp Disinfection 99% Sterilization Rate. Brown. Perfect function. The UV germicidal lamp is suitable for sterilization, disinfection, and deodorization. Volatile ozone can spread to every corner, can purify the air and remove odor. Give your family a healthier living environment. Distinctive design. The shell of the germicidal lamp is made of natural wood and plexiglass and is made by CMC and manual process. Carefully selected ash wood has high temperature and corrosion resistance. Perfectly matched with exquisite leather rope, easy to hanging and carry. Use safety. UV+Ozone, 8,000 hours lifetime. It can be operated remotely through doors, walls, cabinets, etc. There is no limit on the angle, and you do not need to worry about being injured by ultraviolet radiation during operation. Widely used. Every living space and used supplies need to be sanitized, such as bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen wardrobe, shoe cabinet, car, baby's things, pet home, fridge, and so on. Very important, this device will emit very strong UVC light. It will harm your health, so please don't stay together with this light. When it turns on, include your pet, plant, and others. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.